Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my second channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a summer day in my life vlog. I can't find my phone, but on my laptop it says that it is 12:48 in the afternoon. Since it's already kind of like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I thought I would just kind of vlog today and show you guys a chill summer day in my life. I woke up at around 10 o'clock today and I've been doing my summer school all day. I just finished taking a math test. No need to flex. I just finished taking a math quiz. I've been editing a video, but to now me and Van, if you guys don't know Van, he's my neighbor and one of my best friends in the whole wide world. He's gonna pick me up and we're gonna go get smoothie bowls or acai bowls. I've never had an acai bowl, but I really want one and I've been craving it for so long. One of my favorite foods in the whole wide world is smoothies, and that's just because I love fruit and I love how they taste and they're so healthy. And literally acai bowls are basically a smoothie, just they put like more fruit on top. I've been craving one of them so bad. I've never had one and I see everyone talk about it. Since everyone talks about it and I've never had one, I wanted to try it so bad. So I texted him, hey, do you want to go get smoothies? And he said yeah. So he's gonna pick me up soon and we're gonna go get smoothies. I don't think he knows what an acai bowl is, but Postmates is having free delivery today. I'm such a foodie, it's not okay. I don't think he knows what an acai bowl, or maybe he does, I don't know, but we're gonna be going to this place called Flavor Juicery. I just googled the nearest acai bowl place to me and Flavor Juicery is what popped up. But yeah, I'm very excited. I need to submit this math quiz. Let's see what I got on it. I'm kind of scared. 80, that's not very good. Uh-oh. That's not good. It is currently June 14th and I'm on June 21st on my virtual, so I'm more than a week ahead, which is pretty fun. I have to be 3 weeks ahead because I have to do this before I go to sleepaway camp. I'm gonna do some more school until Van gets here and then I'll vlog once he picks me up in his new car because he got a new car. Skirt. I'm walking to go get picked by Van, but my outfit of the day today consists of my white Crocs, and then I have these yellow Forever 21 shorts, and then I'm wearing my Cookie Monster t-shirt. It is like so pretty outside, like it feels so nice. It's not too sunny, it's actually pretty cool, so I'm so glad I get to leave my house today and actually step outside. I'm pretty much a hermit over summer and before I go to sleepaway camp and before I go to Florida to visit my friends, just because I don't leave my house. I also don't have a pool in my backyard, so we have to go to the community pool, which is like 2 miles away, so I can't walk. So I'm glad I get to leave my house today and go get a smoothie bowl. I'm gonna kill Van. Literally, he always tells me to come outside of my house and he'll be like, I'll be there in 4 minutes, which is exactly what he texted me. And I came out of my house once it was 4 minutes and he wasn't here. And now I've been sitting on the curb for 5 minutes and he still isn't here. It's not that it like bothers me or whatever. It's actually so pretty outside and I'm really glad that I'm just like sitting here and chilling and enjoying it. I checked it on Snap. It's 74 degrees out during summer, which is like such a nice cool temperature. It has now been 10 more minutes I've been sitting out here and he still hasn't come. My dad just got home though and he left the door open and my puppy got out. So now she's keeping me company until this man decides to drive on over here because he's taking forever and a year. She's so cute. My mom shaved her and so she looks a little skinny. Besides that, we love a skinny legend, don't we? I waited outside for 15 minutes for you. My dad got home and the dog came to visit me. That's how long you took. I have a question for you.
That's the question.
Do you know what an acai bowl is? You don't?
A who?
An acai bowl.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, that's what we're going to get.
It's a drink.
No, it's literally like a smoothie, but like drink in a bowl.
Oh, that actually kind of looks okay.
It looks good, right?
But why is this light? This light never turns red.
We gon' get smoothie bowls. Follow this. There. Keep going straight. I'm good at directions.
Oh my god.
My hair is going crazy.
Hi vlog. It is currently June and it is 76 outside.
It's so pretty.
I love it, but like it feels like mid-spring.
It's so nice. I was sitting out there and like I wasn't sweating. I was cold. It was like so pretty. I love it.
The bees are gonna come out and just be like,
the bees will buzz. That's Olaf.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to think of the song. It's like
beautiful dandelion buzz.
That's our own.
Probably doing what people do in summer. Why did we just do a duet?
Because we're that fine.
What they want to do? Oh, hi.
I'm so excited.
I'll tell you why. Smoothie King is really good.
Smoothie King is very good, but I wanted an acai bowl. You have no clue how long I've been wanting to try one. Thank you. It's so pretty.
The long dramatic zoom.
I'm putting it on Visco.
Oh yeah, you're a Visco girl now.
I'm a Visco girl now. Dude, that video like went like crazy. It has like 200 views in less than, or 200,000 views in less than a day. I've only ever seen one other person do that video, and I was like, that's such a good idea. Like, I want to do it. And it kind of blew up.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of need to watch it.
You need to watch it. It's good and it's funny, and I like it.
It's good, it's funny. Okay, necesito watch.
That one?
You know, here, I'm gonna turn this off so I can actually help you.
So here, he's editing this picture for me so I can put it on my Instagram story. But here's my acai bowl. I got a berry one, so it comes with bananas, kiwis, raspberries, and then that's like the smoothie part. I'm so excited. First taste test. Ooh, there's granolas. Finish my bowl. Oh, I dropped my bowl. There we go. They're hiring. Van, you should work at Pressed Juicery. Alright, so I'm now home from getting acai bowls with Van. It is 2 o'clock, and honestly, acai bowls are so good. Nobody's overrating them. They're so good, and they're so healthy, and it just fixed my cravings so well. I feel like I got my nutrition in for the day, and I'm full. My dad actually surprised us and came home from work early today because it is a Friday, so he's still working from home, but he came home at 2 o'clock instead of like 5 like he normally does. And so now my dad, me, and my little brother Cam are gonna go to the pool. I don't know if Chase is, but we're gonna go to the community pool and chill there. I'm gonna get a little bit of a tan, hopefully. Lord knows I don't tan, but now it's time to pick out a bikini. I have a lot of friends who work as lifeguards there, and sometimes they judge me and think I'm like super weird, but it's okay. Today is actually turning out a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was literally just gonna sit at home and do my summer school all day, because that's what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. But I'm ahead on it, and I wanna go get tan, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. My belly's full, and now my skin needs to be dark. All right, time to choose a bikini. Hey guys, so I never ended this vlog, but basically this day all I did was go get acai bowls with Van and then go to the pool, and then my MacBook broke. By now, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen all over that my MacBook broke, but I have gotten it back and replaced it, and that's why I just never posted this video until now, because my Mac broke. But this was basically just like a summer day in my life. I know I didn't vlog that much, but after it broke and we went to the pool, I was just in a foul mood and I didn't want to vlog anymore. But I thought that this video was still really fun, and you guys might want to see a little summer day in my life. I know all I did was literally go get food with Van, but it was really fun and I liked it, and it was my first time getting an acai bowl. But if you guys are new here, please don't forget to hit that big subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my vlog channel to see more of my little summer adventures. I'm gonna be at Sleepaway Camp in 2 weeks, so I think this video is gonna be going up scheduled while I'm at Sleepaway Camp. So hi, I don't have my phone right now, so but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.